Guy, oh dear guy, explain some things, but I don't get it or what. So I can't follow him. In fact, talks about this. It's a language. The Hungarian is kind of language which not says it's the best oldest. I don't know what, but somehow like well, I don't know what to say. I don't yet understand what it was created. Maybe even artificially, but with which you can make connections with astro things and I don't know. Whatever he mentioned, there's something. I wrote this, which is interesting. Again, a Hunglish language, or Hunglish Latin. I don't know what to say. So, master in Hungarian means master. An interesting mister in English. Again, somebody who is not stupid, is Lord or Sir or whatever. Interesting hit is their name of Danuberibe, no? Or other things like Mag, is there again somebody buys it? Mag, who was, Termesz, termés in Hungarian means terem is whole, terem is hollow room, but means also like fruit. Like a fruit gets to that point that is fucking crop harvest. So when the fruit finishes the growth and gives the fruit, how to say? That means. Tarvis, so tarvis, that means nature, which is Latin, I guess, also. Nurture or natus is bird in Latin, probably English Latin, and tanar, tanar in Hungarian is teacher, you know. You can, yes, so Ister Danube, Hungarian call it Duna, in Finnish Duna, Don River, which is called Tanoise. Which again has some teaching, because Ton is a doctrine in Hungarian, tanul means learns, tanar, like I say, tanar means teacher. Margaret Thatcher. Margaret, flower. So it's not crazy. You probably say something connected to that and I reacted, but I don't remember. I don't mark it. So master in Hungarian is master. Master, master. Söleter, same. But it has the same words like termeszet, which Hungarian means nature. The nature has the words of tanar. The English says che. It's not che, it's nature, in fact. Or nature. No, natural. Oh, I fucking hate it. So natur, but tanar, same word, is teacher. So goes with other form of this word, master. You know? So we could say then that the biggest teacher, best teacher is the nature. Even though there was teacher, if you take, what to say, not teacher, take out like this, similar to NTR, almost gives the tanar, like tanar. In English, it's probably not tanar, but tanar or something, you know. So probably when the teacher word is close to nature and the tanar, ton in Hungarian. So when the fucking river names, right? Istere, mag ister, aster, plus aster, astral again, sky, heavenly, I don't know. Do not, Danube, do not, Don Tanais, but Tanais again, Ton, doctrine, Tonule. And again, you can think again, what is the Latin word? You know, the language, which even German, so how to say, official language of medieval Europe, even big Germans, you know, those who best intellectual people in Europe and probably English also. Stupid Hungarians, let's say they came to Europe, so they adopted the Latin language. But man, come on, man, even the German in English. The kings write in the official documents or letters to their priests, their leaders, their, you know, all this system, use the fucking Latin language. They could not adopt the Latin letters like today, the German language and the English, you know. The fucking mentality, that's all the history. It's all fake. But like I said, if you are Northern European, meaning north from Alps or Pyrenees or Greek mountains, and your fucking history chronicles and everything, shit like this, like you use it in official documents, the Latin language. If your history is written like this, your history is fucking fake. That's fucking simple. I don't need another proof. I don't need even Fomenko or Jason or whatever, you know. That's fucking simple. So interesting. No, termeszet, the same word. The master, same word. Tanar, similar to nature word. Not natura, there was Romanian also, nature. So the natura, you know. So we are back to nature, termeszet, natura, to teacher, tanar, and master. You know, it is a saying also like this that the best teacher is the nature. No, I don't know exists some phrase, you know, is the best. How you say it in English for that, you know, these big sayings like you repeat, give example, you know, the best teacher is the time, yeah, I know that pain also can be is the failure, yeah, life, yeah, but yeah, fucking English, man. Mistake, yeah, is the nature, no such thing. Of course, teacher in tonarium gonna same. But yeah, the physics, in fact, I remember in school was formulated like the physics is that science which is studies the phenomena of the nature and tries to give scientific explanations for that. So, I don't know, you know the nature, the nature is a reality, so you know the reality, everything, you are smart. But again, we live in a fake world, so now takes this quote essay. Somebody said, who the fuck is it? Nature is a great teacher of surrender, yes, surrender, some fucking shit again. Allowing of simply being. This one. Ah, fuck. the fuck say this? Alexandra Donelle. But I don't need Alexandra Donelle, I just look on English and Hungarian. But exists something probably. I mean some saying like whatever. No, here is not nature nature is tanar, is teacher. Nature termeszet must. Yeah. Mister Danube Duno. What name it? Had also the name Matuas. Matuas similar to Maiotis, the Mahe o Azov Sea. Skitty always mention it with the Tanais. Matuas, what has to do with the teaching? Checkmate. 64, 888. Hitler. Don't also means Lord, no, Spanish or what? Sir, Mister, Magister, Sinister, interesting also. So what is it? Sinister. Priester. What has to do with stars? Knowing the stars, astrology. Also. Look, somebody made a video, man. I even put it on the site because it's so evident. But I use it when I few videos I made in Hungarian. I wrote, chronology. Hungarian is written like this. Fucking low. Geo. Chrono. But knowing the histories in pieces, you must put together. Even in Hungarian, tört mint broken. Történelem means history, but tört is broken. Én means me, myself. Ele means element. So yes. So because of that, I wrote advance krone all pro o lo geo. All lo in Hungarian is scissor. With cutter. So you cut it in pieces. And I put together the puzzles, Fucking hell. So it's there, yes, the Hungarian történelem is in pieces, chronology in pieces. Like was cut with schizzore, because look, the guy, I don't know, he's many Hungarians are writing, I don't even observe it. Yes, because they are 99% of them is brainwashed. Of us, let's say, because I'm also. Look,
Bro, the
so the schizo looks like as it's written down in Hungarian. Fucking hell.
Hungarian language is actually genius. Genius how? The word for scissors is olo. So, write it on a piece of paper. Alright. You still don't see it? Okay, what's special about it? Put the scissors next to it. Alright, like this.
It looks the same, So like all low schizore. Okay. But the schizo now looks like this. Two round thing and the two, got there part. Let's even put Y like this. And I write it, I guess, here. A bit similar to oval, which is the bird. In English, because the oval also is characteristic for his big head, and big eyes. When you, even I cannot draw, like paint, but if I or like a cat, round head, round eyes, and looks the eyes are how to say so in front like the humans have, so not both sides like most animals. Så je vet Ole, heste Ollo, Hungarian schizore, looks like when you write down like looks like a schizore, and Ole because they have two big eyes and I don't know the ears. So the English language also good because all letter is round, right? Like the head of the Ole or the big round eyes, Similar to Ollo word, the Hungarian.
Scissors next to it. All right, like this. All right, like this.
Looks like Ole. Two eyes and he went a rabbit like. Rabbit is not say like this. It's crazy, really crazy. Alright, I just wanted this look at. I don't know, man, this guy, I get it somewhere in my back head about what he talks. I cannot follow. Says that in fact, even if there are more languages, and probably says the Hungarian was created to can be understood all. I don't know. The interesting, I don't get it. All right.